This is another term, that is electronegativity. Electronegativity, it is the power of attraction towards the electron. Tendency of an atom to attract the shared pair of electron. The symbol X is used for electronegativity. It is that describe the tendency of an atom to attract a shared pair of electron or electron density towards itself. An atom's electronegativity is affected by both its atomic number and the distance at which its valence electron reside from the charged nucleus. For example, HCl, hydrogen chloride. Hydrogen chlorine is more electronegative than hydrogen because chlorine has 7 electrons in outermost shell, so it is more it has more craving for electron. So it pulls electron from hydrogen, so it becomes partial negative, and hydrogen is partial positive because it gives electron while chlorine pulls electron. So chlorine is more electronegative because it has one deficient electron. The higher the associated electronegativity number, the more an atom or a substituent group attracts electron toward itself. For example, fluorine has highest value of negativity 4. Its size is very small, so it has highest attraction toward the electron. It pulls electron most powerfully. On the most basic level, electronegativity is determined by the factor like the nuclear charge. The more protons an atom has, the more pull it will have an electron. And the number location of the other electron present in the atomic shell, the more electrons an atom has, the farther from the nucleus. Electronegativity is the power for attraction toward the electron. If electron deficient atom is attached, like chlorine is electron deficient, one electron deficient, so it pulls electron more strongly than hydrogen. So this is electronegativity. It will experience because of their increased distance from the nucleus. As the distance is increased, that is the bigger size of an atom, like fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Iodine has bigger shell as compared to bromine, so it has less attraction toward the electron. And because of the other electron in the lower energy core orbital will act to shield the valence electron from positively charged nucleus. As the shell increases, the shielding effect increases. The shielding effect when increased, the electronegativity decreases because shielding effect is increased in bigger shell, while electronegativity weakens in big shell. As the number of shells are increases, the electronegativity decreases. The opposite of electronegativity is electropositivity. Electronegativity exists in nonmetals while electropositivity exists in metals, because metals are those which have tendency to lose electron, like alkali metals and alkaline earth metals, that is S block. S block elements have good electropositivity as compared to uh, non-metals like halogens. Halogens have weak electropositivity while they have good electronegativity. And metals, that is S block, alkali metals and alkaline earth metals, have good electropositivity while they have weak electronegativity. Okay. The term electronegativity was introduced by Berzelius in 1811, though the concept was known even before that and was studied by many chemists, including Avogadro. You know Avogadro's number. Recall how much? Yes, 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23. In spite of its long history, an accurate scale of electronegativity was not developed. Electronegativity scale is electronegative value is not more than 4, and 4 is the value for fluorine. This is the periodic table and showing electronegativity trend along the period from left to right. Electronegativity increases. Why it increases? Because as we know, the number of electrons are added gradually and the shell remains same, but because of electrons were added, the nuclear density, the nuclear charge increases. So the attraction toward the attraction between the nucleus and the electron increased, and this attraction decreased the size of the atom. So along the period, size of an atom decreases, and the pulling of electron towards the atom, towards the electron of another atom increases. So it pulls electron most strongly or more strongly gradually from along the period. But down the group, as we have discussed, that is size increases. The size increases, the distance between the nucleus and the electron increases, so it has less attraction toward the nucleus, toward the next outside electron. Nucleus cannot pull electron of outside. So electronegativity down the group decreases, but along the period increases. Okay, I think so you have clear concept of electronegativity, and this electronegativity is more in halogens like fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine. This yellow line, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine. While electropositivity is more in red and peach color like lithium, beryllium, sodium, magnesium, potassium, calcium, all these. Okay.